What's going on, YouTube land? It's your boy Just Al. I'm still working on resolving this issue with Teverun. In the meanwhile, I'm installing these Cosmic Design 12-volt LEDs. I've attached one to the bottom using silicone sealant. So you can see it's kind of beefy right here. I made sure that it's nice and loaded here where the connections are. And it reaches all the way to the back of the scooter here. And I'm going to show you guys what this at 12 volts full brightness. This is going to be, because look at the second bars up here. So I'm going to show you guys what this looks like. Matter of fact, let me just turn off the lights. Turn down the lights. We ain't lighting no candles, but there you go. These are the Cosmic Mod 12 volts. That's one bar. Matter of fact, I can even disconnect this second one. 3R, one LED. And this is powered by this controller here, and this one is Bluetooth. The one that I'm going to be installing in this video isn't Bluetooth, it's DC 5 volts via USB. What we'll be using is this 3x3 144 LED strand here. This comes with a remote with a bunch of presets. I'll be showing you guys some of that, and this RF controller. Unlike the other one that we're using, this one is USB. It just plugs in here. It requires 5 volts. Pretty much any power pack will do for this. So I've gone ahead and folded the 3x3 LED strip in half. Just bring this up to the body of the scooter, so the lights are going to be coming down this way. Any excess light, I may just cut the ends or shorten this so that we can use some of this excess light even up on our handlebars if we want, and I may do that at some point. So for testing, I'm going to use this RAV Power power bank. This is about 5 years old. I got this years and years ago, and I'm gonna just hook this up to the end here, and then turn this upside down, and there it is, plugged into this ancient power bank. And let there be light. That's what the whole strip looks like. These are some of the presets. Let me see, this is full brightness. Nope, it gets even brighter. Yeah, see? Okay, it's got a lot of presets. Let's go through some of them. I'm gonna probably be going with something in the orange range, because yellow, because orange seems to be really difficult to pull off with LEDs convincingly. I get really deep yellow or reddish or pinkish hue for all you Seinfeld fans out there. Well, these are some of the patterns. Some of these patterns are playful. They go back and forth. I'm just scrolling through them really quickly because I don't want to make this video 30 minutes long. But yeah, I mean, this is not bad. This is a $20 kit from Amazon, and I had purchased 144s that were significantly bigger diameter. I'm not even sure if these are 144s at this point, but you know, I got nothing better to do because my scooter is broken down, so we're gonna play around with these a little bit, and we're gonna try to jazz up this Blade GT a little bit more. Got really nice tint. Sorry for all the dog hair. My dog is old. Yeah, I really like this. Like, if I had the blue version of this scooter, this would be absolutely perfect. orange is a little harder to achieve. But, you know, the Cosmic Mods one will get me probably closer, so I'd like to have it on the underside. That's the most orange. It doesn't necessarily look orange on here. It looks pretty white, as I'm seeing from the footage here. Maybe off the ground you can see some orange there, but this is as close to orange as I'm gonna get, and it's kind of yellowish. But yeah, let me cut these up and mount them up.